10 students, welcome to your WOC. Yes, all the students who are watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. All the students who have already been associated with me, thank you so much. So before we start and dive into the video, let me greet you all. That's the way how Anima interacts. So hello, namaskaram, vanakkam, shastriyakal, adavarse, chennagidra, bagunnara. Most important thing, all the grade 10 students, this video is especially for the grade 10 students. As I have mentioned, welcome to grade 10 students with a smile. This beautiful smile is important. Yes, all the students of grade 10th, once again a warm welcome from Mani ma'am. Little bit delay, but nothing to worry. Your 2023-24 board examinations are going to go wonderfully with me, along with your constant study. Yes, so before we start the video, today the video is very important for you all. Reason, the grade 10th is a base for all your further studies or wherever you wish to go, wherever you want to join. Further in your future, grade 10th is the base. Even after 20 years when they ask you grade 10th certificate, that's the most important. So I'm going to take you to the journey of your grade 10th till your board examinations. And I'm also further there with you all for the grade 11th, the grade 12, JEE as well as NEET also. So before I start, welcome to grade 10 students with a beautiful smile. And remember, my journey with you all is going to start from today. It's going to continue as I said earlier. So let's go into the video. Before that, most important, remember, grade 10th, basically students, you have 4 chapters for this particular this one in chemistry. You have physics, also biology also, put together, which is already given, the syllabus is already given. As I said, one imam, this time the only difference is, one imam is going to teach you physics, chemistry as well as biology for grade 10th. The complete package of NCERT would be there in my channel. WOC always believes in one thing, that's free education for each and every student who wants to study, who has the interest to study. Yes, nothing. So this time the grade 10th syllabus would be dealt systematically, but chemistry, all the 4 chapters I have done along with the practical syllabus which is prescribed. Whatever pink boxes are there in your textbook, that is also illustrated in the form of practicals. This is a complete playlist of all the 4 chapters, starting from the chemical reactions, acids and bases, metals and non-metals, as well as your carbon-its compounds. All the 4 chapters videos will be given, the link will be given in the description. Please go and watch it first. Reason, once you watch the chemistry the one-shot videos, you will be thorough with the topic. As and when you finish watching the one-shot videos, for me doing question by question, it will be easy for you all. Hope you all understand. Let's start the video. Before that, go to the description, watch all the one-shot videos. So once again, all the grade 10 students, alright, now let's gradually go into the syllabus of what is prescribed by the CBSE. First of all, students, this particular year, there's a few chapters which are deleted. Don't get confused. I'll tell you how to study, how we are going to start with the particular series. Now, once we start with chemistry first, let us see. In chemistry, basically, you very well know, earlier there were 5 chapters, correct? Now, they have just labeled it as chemical substances, nature and behavior. As you all know, basically chemistry has 5 units, but this particular year, under the heading chemical substances, nature and behavior, you have only 4 chapters to study. So in those 4 chapters, important thing, objective, that is MCQs is what you have to study. You have to study short answers. You have to study, in that short answers, you also have very short answers and short answers. You also are supposed to study long answers. You're supposed to study diagrammatic questions, chemistry not there. So you have case-based question. That means whenever I'm studying 4 chapters of chemistry, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, the total weightage of 25 marks. Total chemistry is 25 marks. That means if you completely or perfectly study MCQs or the objective type, very short answer and long answer and case based, I think you'll get through the exam. Correct? But that's not our target. Getting through the exam or just passing is not a target, but our target is getting 80 out of 80. That means in chemistry, I have to concentrate perfectly in each and every line of the NCRT, which I'll be giving you in the form of visual impact, in the form of questions, everything I'll be doing in the series. So note it, chemistry 4 chapters, carrying 25 marks. Then once it comes to biology unit 2, that is life processes, what is prescribed for your syllabus. Under life processes, control and coordination, both in animals and plants, we need to study, and reproduction, that is hereditary and evolution. So these 2 chapters put together, it's again coming to 25. Oh my god. That means chemistry 25 is for 4 chapters, biology 25 is for these 2 in subparts. That means 25 plus 25, 50 marks are done. Let's start with the physics now. When it comes to physics, in physics you have unit 3, that is natural phenomena. Under that you have concept of reflection, refraction and human eye. You're going to study those, you're going to study the ray diagrams, we're going to see some numericals also. I'll be explaining you visually, don't worry. That particular physics unit 3 is carrying 12 marks. So now how much is done out of 80? 25 marks of chemistry, 25 marks of biology, and the left out, the next 2 chapters which are included, I'll be discussing. So till now 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 12, 62 marks are done out of 80. Now let's see the remaining 2 chapters, and I'll also be explaining you in the board examination how is the question paper pattern, so that it is easy for me to take you to the complete journey. Let's see the remaining chapters which are there in that 80, I think the left out chapters out of 80. Alright, so we've already seen how much weightage. We have already seen 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 12, 62 marks weightage is what we have seen. Now, important thing to, let us see the remaining marks, and then important thing I'll let you know about the portfolio. What is the chapter which is you required for you to write the write-up. Now, in the left out chapters, as we have seen, physics, that is how things work. So in how things work, the chapter that is unit 4, you have effects of current. So that's carrying a weightage of 13 marks. Most of the students feel difficulty in solving the numericals. Nothing to worry, I'll make you do. After that, so natural resources, that is unit 5, there is our environment, a very easy chapter. That's our environment is carrying 5 marks. That means the 25 marks of chemistry, 25 marks of biology, and the left out physics and our natural resources 5. Total is coming to 80 marks. Done. That's your chapters. Now, important thing to remember. There's one chapter, but chapter number 16, that's nothing but management of natural resources. So this management of natural resources, it is not there for your examination, but you'll be given, or your teacher, please ask your teacher, in that your teacher is supposed to give you a brief write-up. You read the chapter completely and you write a write-up on that. You know what is write-up, what have you understood, the summary sort of thing of that. And you are going to prepare a project file sort of thing which is kept in your portfolio of each student. According to CBSE, portfolio is very important for each student, right? That means put together all the chapters, 80 marks theory is what I'm going to write, and 20 marks are your internal assessment which the school is going to give. Now we have a clear understanding where we have to work. In all the chapters, for me, NCRT is the base. No other book is required for your board examination. 10th and 12th students, chemistry will be given only from your NCRT. Don't rely on any different publishers. Yes, it is like a Bhagavad Gita, it is like the Bible, it is like Quran, everything. It's a holy book. Okay, students? So remember, I'll be doing line by line NCRT. Now we are going to finish off the video with your board question paper. Why should I lower the question paper now? We have very less time. Correct? So we are going to know the board question paper, and when I upload the video, suppose I'll say MCQ series, you should be able to relate, oh, I'm doing section A. Then very short answer, section B, like that. Let's go through the board sample paper and clearly understand and how our journey is going to go ahead. Alright, Now we have seen the syllabus, we know which chapters to study for the board examination. We are going to come in the video the most important thing, what is the weightage and what is the variety of questions which we are going to get for each chapter combined together, physics, chemistry and biology. So basically for your board examination, ma'am, why should I know this? Yes, you have to know this because before studying the particular topic, the series which I'm going to start, you should be clear of what we are going to study. Yes. So totally in your board examination, the total number of sections in your board paper would be 5. A, B, C, D and E. So I have made a consolidated table as per your board question paper which is released. So total number of sections are 5. So in that particular sections, the type of questions which you are going to get as soon as you see the question paper is, section A will be having MCQ based questions. So how many MCQs are there? 1 to 16th question is an MCQ. So ma'am, in that MCQ, it's a combination of your physics, chemistry and biology. Remember students, in that from 17th to 20th question, you'll be having assertion and reasoning questions. So I'm going to teach you assertion and reasoning series also. Nothing to panic. Go through the series, you'll gradually get to know how to answer. That means I'm clear section A is from 1 to 20. So this section A 1 to 20 questions, each is carrying 1 mark. So here if I answer, I'll be getting 20 marks perfectly. How should you answer? You need to choose one option only, whichever is correct. That's done. Let us come to section B. Now in section B, you have very short answer, VSA. Very short answer from where, which question it is starting. From 21st question to 26th question it is starting. How many questions are there? Very short. You have 6 very short questions. It may include, you will also have an internal choice. So this very short questions, each question is carrying 2 marks. So total how much? 6 into 2, 12 marks is done. That means after I answer the MCQ, I'll go to the very short answer. In how many words should I answer? I have to answer that question in 30 to 50 words. See, why do they specifically say 30 to 50 words? If you start giving long answer for a very short answer, you'll not be able to finish physics, chemistry and biology. So restrict yourself into that 30 to 50 words where I'll be teaching you answer writing skills also. Next comes your section C. Here you have short answer. Short answer means it's starting from question number 27 to 33. Total questions are 7. Each is carrying 3 marks. 7 threes are 21 marks. And here short answer you're supposed to answer in how many words? 50 to 80 words. Means it is coming to around 3 to 4 lines. Yes, that's done. Now gradually we come into section D. Long answer questions. I'm going to teach you diagrammatic questions. I'll be teaching you how to write. I'll be giving you the answer. Nothing to worry. So long answers are starting from 34 to 36. So how many questions are there? 3 questions. So in this 3 questions, each is carrying 5 marks. That means 3 into 5, 15 marks question is long answer. So MCQs are 20 marks. Short answer, very short answer is 12 marks. Short answer is 21 marks. And long answer is 15. So almost I have covered everything. But don't panic. Can I write the long answer first? You can always write, students. If you know, important, once you write the MCQ, you mention the section A, answer all the MCQs, and if you want to answer the long questions, you can write it as section C and start writing the long answers. So it is carrying total. How many words should you write? 80 to 120 words. That is done with section D. Now comes section E. This is where most of the students get to panic. Nothing to worry. Whether it is grade 10th or grade 12th, source based or case based question. They will be giving you a paragraph, clues also will be given. You need to read the particular paragraph or the case which is given to you, whichever they may give you from physics, chemistry, biology, we never know, and you're going to answer the questions which are given. How many case-based questions will be there? 3 questions. That is from 37 to 39. Very carefully we will learn the paragraph and we will solve the questions. So the case-based question, it is carrying 4 marks each. Okay, 3 questions. So 4 into 3 is 12 marks. Or 3 into 4 is 12 marks. So that means I am clear for an 80 marks paper, or the case based you should write in 1 to 2 lines. For an 80 marks paper, MCQs, very short answers, long answers and case based. So one ma'am will be having this series as and when I upload MCQ series. It will be including chemistry, physics, biology. And then when I include long answer, very short answer, very short answer, like that, the series will follow till your board examinations. So please remember students, all the grade 10 students, note this table in your book. You should be very, very careful with this table. This is how the board question paper comes. So I'll be starting and meet you all. Before I close the video with a happy note, with a smile, let me tell you, please like the video. Reason, if you like the video, it will be shown to more and more people. There's so many schools in India, right? Abroad also. This is all free education. Liking doesn't cost anything, correct? Please like the video. At the same time, I request you to share the video. Share it to more and more friends so that this journey of free education spreads to everybody. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Signing off. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.